Hey guys, in this video we will be unboxing the Apple's Magic Trackpad 2, which is one of the most expensive accessories of Apple in recent time. Let's unbox this. So here we have the trackpad and we'll keep that aside. Here we got some paperwork. And over here we have the lightning cable. And here finally we have the trackpad. Let us take this out. So it has an awesome build quality. And over here we have a lightning port and the Apple's logo here, obviously. So with this I'm ending the video. Thanks for watching.